Hello all. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you have seen over here, we have rendered this stuff over here with a volume light. I've just shifted a bit light down. I have rendered it again. As you can see, we have got all this passes over here. As you can see, all these different passes, your global illumination, your illuminance, your lighting pass, your reflection pass, your refraction, self-illumination, shadow, specular and z-depth. So what we'll be doing it over here is like I'm going to save this passes one by one. So I'll make a new folder over here, passes new, and first pass, that is diffuse. Let's save this as diffuse over here. The second pass as illumination, global illumination, GI. Save it in the form of JPG. Your illuminance, lighting, reflection, refraction, self-illumination, shadows, specular, z-depth, so once you're done with this, just off this stuff and let's open Photoshop over here. Let's open it with passes in Photoshop. So let's open all the passes. So let's go into file, open, so very first of all what we'll do is like we'll first take the reflection pass over here and let's take this reflection pass, place this over here and use a screen over here. You can see the reflection pass over here. That's your first reflection pass. Second pass we are going to take is your refraction pass. So let's take a refraction pass. So that's your refraction. So refraction pass you can just go on changing it. So whatever suits the best you can keep it. We'll keep it as screen only right now. Third pass, that's your lighting pass, or we'll take it as a self-illumination. So just go over here. That's it. Okay. That's a self-illumination pass. Specular pass. that's a specular pass. As you can see, is specular. After that, you have uh, global illumination pass. So illumination. So global illumination and the lighting pass. I think we need one more pass, that's your V-Ray environmental fog pass. Better. So just go into this and use hard light. Then you have illuminance. Illuminance. That's the illuminance. Then your shadow pass. We need to work with the samples for this. So I'll just delete it for now. And your Z depth. Also we need one more pass, that is occlusion pass. So Z depth pass will work in this way. As you can see the depth. So as we have just composited all these passes, we need one more pass, that is the other pass, like your atmospheric, that's a volume light pass, and your occlusion pass. So we can just composite it both. We need to just color correct it. You can easily color correct it by adding some color balance or something if you require it. Give all this, you can go with that. So you can just color correct it if you want, you can go with that. So you can go into this and give some brightness contrast also into it. That's it. So thanks for watching this tutorial.